Now you are going to learn construction of orthocenter of a triangle. First you have to know about orthocenter. What is the meaning of orthocenter? Orthocenter is the point of concurrency of the altitudes of a triangle. Point of concurrency of the altitudes of the triangle. Usually it is denoted by the letter H. So that is altitude. Altitude means you have to draw the perpendicular line to the opposite vertices. For this side BC, opposite vertices is A. You have to draw the perpendicular line. For this side opposite vertices is C. You have to draw this perpendicular line. This is altitude. For AC opposite vertices is B. So you have to draw this perpendicular line. So the point of concurrency of these three altitude is called orthocenter. It is denoted by the letter H. Students, like a previous method, first you have to construct a triangle PQR. Okay. Before starting the fair diagram, you have to write the given. Yes. Take from the question what is given. PQ equal to 6 cm, angle Q is equal to 60 degree, QR is equal to 7 cm, and you have to draw the rough diagram. Then this is altitude. The altitude's meeting point H. Yes. Now you have to construct the triangle PQR. PQ is equal to 6 cm. Draw a line segment. PQ is equal to 6 cm. Okay. PQ is equal to 6 cm. Students, you have to use pencil. Okay. Yes, for this measurement, angle is given. Yes, angle Q is equal to 60 degree. You have to measure with the protractor. The protractor midpoint keep on the point Q, measure 60 degree. Yes, 60 degree is acute angle. You have to measure this 60 degree. Yes, students, you have to measure 60 degree. Through this point, you have to draw one ray. You have to extend this line. Then after completing this, you have to measure 7 cm. Here given QR is equal to 7 cm. You have to measure 7 cm. Yes. Keep the compass needle on Q. You have to draw one arc. This arc intersecting point is R. For this is 7 cm. Now you have to join P. Students, now you have to join the point PR. Now we get the triangle PQR. Okay, students. Yes. Now we have to construct this orthocenter. How we have to construct this orthocenter? Yes. Take your compass. You have to take approximate measurement. For we have three vertices. Yes, students, P, Q, R. For you have to consider any two vertices. Yes. For I am considering here. Keep the compass needle on P. So take the measurement like this. This vertex is P, opposite side is QR. Their opposite side, you have to draw the arc. You have to take the measurement. Just keep the pencil needle like this. You have to draw the arc like this. Have you understood, students? You have to take approximate measurement. Just you have to take like this measurement. Okay? Yes? The pencil needle just touch this side. Then you have to draw like this two arcs. Then after finding this, you have to measure this measurement. Yes, you have to measure this measurement. More than half of this measurement. So you have to reduce this measurement. Draw the arc. Yes, here to here and here to here. Denote this intersecting point. Then you have to join these 2 points. Yes. Then you have to consider any one more vertices Q or R. Okay, I'm used here. Keep the compass needle on Q. You have to take this measurement. Yes. The pencil needle just touch the opposite side. Yes. So then you have to measure this measurement. Then you have to take more than half. That means you have to reduce little bit their measurement. Okay. Take one arc. Then use this arc and draw another one arc. Mark this intersecting point. Now you have to join these 2 points. Yes. The point of intersection of these 2 points is H. It is called orthocenter. You have to denote this 90-degree symbol. Yes. Okay. Once again listen student. First you have to construct the triangle. After finding that triangle, you have to draw the orthocenter. Yes, that is the altitude. You have to draw the altitudes. So altitude, how you have to draw the altitudes? So that is, you have to consider in these 3 vertices any 2 vertices. Yes. So keep the compass needle on P. You have to take like this measurement to this point of P point opposite side QR. You have to draw arc. Using these 2 arcs, you have to take more than half of this measurement. You have to measure this, then you have to reduce the small measurements, then you have to draw the arc using this arc and another one arc. Then you mark this intersecting point, you have to join these 2 points. The same way you have to take this vertices, another one vertices, their opposite side is PR. Then you have to draw the arc. This is approximate measurement only. You have to draw the arc. Then using these 2 arcs, you have to draw the another arcs. Yes, using this, measure this arc, then reduce this measurement, draw the arcs. Yes, these 2 arcs meeting point you have to denote, then you have to join these 2 points. Yes, suppose the intersecting point first, suppose the lines extends here. Suppose the arcs moves outside the triangle, you have to extend the lines. You have to extend like this. Okay students? Yes? This is called the point of concurrency of these 2 altitude is called orthocenter H.